boom, boom. I thought it sounded like some young kid kept driving up and down the street with the stereo in the car really, really loud.
There's a few of those on Duval Street too.
Oh, yes. Oh, I've heard those before, but they kind of go away because they drive a block or two away. And this didn't go away.
What time did it stop?
I don't know. It was...
Last night it was, because of the rain, it was
they
about
stopped.
12:40.
Yeah.
And then I laid there awake until about 2 o'clock waiting to see if they were going to start back up again.
The night before it didn't stop till 2 in the
2
morning.
in the morning the night before.
Yeah.
They're not hurry up and fall asleep. Gotta fall asleep before they start again.
Yeah, but then
Right,
wake
because
up.
of work. Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
what happened.
Hey,
Winter breakdown.
well, if that girl says the music goes to 3 o'clock in the morning, that you're supposed to sleep, the girl over there said you were supposed to sleep during the day and stay up all night in Key West?
Key West.
Yeah.
You're supposed to be out at night.
We didn't know
And it
Key
was-
West had rules about sleeping during the day and being up all night.
Yeah.
We would have done that had we known the
We
rules.
didn't do that 12 years ago.
Right. Keep you from getting a sunburn.
Yeah, what?
That's right.
Maybe if we were back in our 20s, we would give it a thought.
We'd be over there.
Right. That's right. We
But we
could
wouldn't
dance.
have...
Well, remember, nothing good happens after 11 o'clock.
Exactly.
That's right.
That's why we're in bed by 11.
Everyone that asked me, I tell them,
Well, wait a minute.
get off the
10,
streets by
9.
11 or 12 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
Pretty normal.
What time would you think?
Band starts, I hear you guys.
Oh.
What time do you think would be reasonable for the bands to stop?
I would say like 11-ish would be good.
In downtown?
Or build some kind of sound wall behind it or something, just to turn it down a bit. I mean, we're not unreasonable.
Yeah, I mean,
We know there's
they
gonna
don't
be
have to play
something.
it that loud.
Yeah.
Right. They could hire an acoustic duo.
Well, we
and
should check.
wouldn't hear 'em.
We should check to see how many people are in there, because if they're destroying this many people and they only have 10 people in their place, there's some that's not fair. That's not
We
fair.
need to stay awake and go in there. But
Or
we
we
have
could-
to get earplugs.
Or
Earplugs.
11 o'clock, turn the volume down a bit.
Yeah.
The volume and the bass
Turn the
down.
bass and the bass drum.
Stop.
Pull the mic out of the bass drum or do something like that.
I mean, we know bars are open till 4. 4, whatever they do.
Are they louder than that airplane going over right now?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we can talk over that.
Right. We can talk over the airplane where we can't talk
I would
over.
say there are like 120 decibels.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
And, yeah.
I kind of keep an eye on decibels in my business. And I know about where 85, 95, 100. I'd say in that room, definitely over 100 decibels.
Wow. Wow. Well, that's a bad night.
It is, and that's even worse in the corner. We're 4 rooms away from it.
Yeah, that's the epicenter in that room.
I think it's, yeah.
Yeah.
I
Right
think
next
it's
to it.
better.
Yeah.